Check out this 2011 Chevrolet Cruze. Guaranteed clean, one-owner Carfax. Non-smoker. Check out the way this car was meticulously taken care of. It shows. Well equipped with the following options: 4-cylinder, 1.8-liter, ABS, 4-wheel, air conditioning, AM/FM stereo, automatic, 6SPD with overdrive, daytime running lights, dual airbags, F&M. R head curtain airbags, F&M. R side airbags, FWD, keyless entry, MP3, single disc, OnStar, power door locks, power steering, power windows, stability track, tilt wheel, traction control, XM satellite, and more. Call us today at 972-659-9999 to arrange a test drive. Metro View in Irving. Please call us for more information. The special internet price is $17,991. Contact the dealership today at 972-659-9999.